I've been editing videos for a few days straight, so I think it's time to go out, ride the bike, and get the blood pumping. I used to go running for exercise, but as I grow older, I prefer cycling. Thanks to Superteam for collaborating with me for 3 years. And I'd like to take this opportunity to say congratulations to Superteam, as they have just become a partner with GCN France. I'm so proud of you guys. I've tested quite a number of carbon wheel sets from Superteam and they're great. Some of them have become a part of my friends' bikes and they're still running fine. Superteam offers a wide range of carbon, road and gravel wheel sets for different budgets and needs. Feel free to visit our website and you may find your new favorite. Yeah, I know. There are many other brands, even those non-branded, super affordable carbon wheel sets on the market right now. But why Superteam? Is it because they put more resources into product testing and development? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's just the fate that brings us together. Anyways, thanks for watching. Happy and safe cycling.